back to another video. Today I'm gonna do a lot of rivals video. Let's start. And can you say like cause I just got a ESOP. Can you say anything? Cause I got a diamond ESOP. This is my second best ESOP. My first best was a 300 million divine, which I pulled out of the spin. Is it okay if I put videos? Or do I feel like it's copyrighted? Nah.
Wheel. Silax flips 42. Let's see what the flip this guy's all about.
Yo! Oh shit. Oh. Yo! Duel me.
1v1 man.
Duel.
Who is there? Is there?
Oh. One me. My God. Ah.
Garma and Madhu. Garam.
Don't come to me.
I'm coming.
You punched me, no?
And you put the bottle there.
Please, bro, please, bro, please.
Bro,
I just want to get clips on you.
do you know how did I got the cut?
Oh.
So now I put the bottle there. In the bed. She knows I already want to call. She only kept it there. She not kept the bottle there. This will never happen, man.
Where did you come from? You're recording.
Garma
Sniper.
and Madungdung. Garma and Madungdung. Garma.
Snooper. Okay, Snooper. I'm gonna use Snooper. Okay, guys, see how I destroyed it. Oh my God. He has jump pad before me. Oh my God. No wonder. The thing is, he has auto shoot. No. Oh my.
Use the vice seal.
Yo, you're an auto shooter. You're an auto shooter. Get it? My God! Holy auto shooter, man. Holy auto shooter. Dumbest auto shooter.
Hacking. My whole entire vice.
Little dumb auto shooter. Oh my God! Oh my God!
Stop auto shooting.
Oh my! I just wanna say, freak you, little auto shooter. No, the mic is on.
You already said it.
Oh my God! Can you put a trampoline here, please? Lol. Lala. Why are you coming next to me?
Last time you were protecting her mom. Now you're being mean to her. Wow.
Forgot what she did. She punched me, man. Didn't you see?
Protecting her.
She punched me.
Now you're not protecting
She
her.
punched
You're
me.
not protecting her anymore. suit, man.
Yeah.
I'm coming. Teleport.
Stop, auto shooter! Stop it!
Minutes. 5 minutes.
Um. Um. Oh. Yeah, nothing here.
Haven't found all 9 jump pad shards in Rivals yet? Then
No.
this video is for you.
Why?
The first 3 are hidden in the lobby. One behind these boxes in the weapon room, on
I
the
know.
right side by the
I
3v3
know.
dual pads, and behind the win streak
I
monitor
know.
in the spawn area. The next few are a little trickier. Once
Okay, I
on
did
crane,
that. I
scythe
already
dash
have
up
it.
to the second part and then
Dumbo.
walk all the way to the end. There, you'll find the shard. On bridge, go to the back left pillar and climb up. Careful though if you don't have much
I know even
time. On
get
Yitz
that
is easy. Go to the back of the map,
I
bounce
think
in the
I have-
lava,
yeah, I
and
have
grab the
that.
shard right out of the chicken's hand. For crossroads and station, just go to the back left corner of each map and jump out of bounds. They
I
can be a
think
little
I did
tricky to
not-
get your
I
first
did
try,
that, I
so you
did
may die a few times. For docks, go to the right side
Only I
fence
need
and
one.
grenade
I think
jump
I did
over
not
the
do
shipping
this.
containers.
I
You'll
did
have
that.
like 5 seconds to grab the shard before you die. Haven't found all 9 jump pad
Okay,
shards
let me
in
try all of
Rivals
that.
yet?
I only need one.
Dano, can you help? Which one is it on?
Only in the bridge.
Bridge. First, all mine, then yours.
I already have.
I have one left.
I also need one left for the bridge only.
I need that, bro, so I can actually do nice snipes. You know, right? How I did that snipe.
Bro, I also need one. You also have to need one.
But can't believe I did the no scope.
I thought it was the full scope.
No scope. That guy and that Gojo guy.
I thought you did the scope.
Bruh! The Gojo guy! Don't you know?
No.
The video I post. Okay, then 1v1 me, 1v1 me, 1v1 me, 1v
We
me.
are ready. Oh my god, we are in a different servers.
Why didn't you join me?
Short.
Short.
Short?
Not shorty anymore.
It's salty, salty.
Not puke anymore. My game. My game PFs is so laggy. Danu, what is ping? Is this ping?
Yeah.
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 432 ping?
In Miraval minus 10,000 pings.
Stop lying. 5,000. 6,000. I'm sorry, 600.
After mine past 5,000 and
Danu, can you come?
I'm already.
Oh shit, my ping. I can't see you, you're invisible. Hold on. Finally. Okay.
We have to go in bridge now.
No, for me.
Where's the bridge?
Dogs. Ducks. Duck.
Where's bridge? Oh, it's so
Did you find one from dogs? You already have it. No, you're liar. Try if you see if you still have it.
okay.
Oh my god. I'm coming. Don't worry.
You know where is it?
Yes. It's on your side. There, on that buildings. I think it's... Wait, did they patch you? Oh no, they didn't. I got scared. Oh my god. It's so quick, the thing.
It's not there. I already got it, man.
Oh my... You died. That is the last shot. Oh my... I was actless. Danu, wait, I'm coming. Bap. Oh my god. We need that.
I already have it. I need the bridge one.
You have it?
Yeah.
I think this is the last one I need.
But I just need the bridge one only.
Okay, where did I go?
It's a chainsaw, man. And a war horn. See how fast.
Chainsaw Warhorn. Okay.
Can you go fast?
RPG, dagger, chainsaw, and war on. But look, yo, I'm right, yo. Damn, I love this day.
I'm already here, man. And then your word out is done.
I grabbed. You got it. Let's go.
Now I need the brace.
Let's
one.
leave.
After get the brace.
Bleh. You didn't leave?
Oh, yo, what? I need the brace, man. Now I need the brace.
Okay.
That is my only thing.
I have it. Can't believe I got it.
Can you give it to me?
Oh, help! Wait. Didn't you get the bridge one
No.
in your server?
No. I can get it. So, come, please.
Oh my god.
The
You almost just that.
Brace.
Breezeline. No, don't. If you had did that one more second last.
I don't know what to pick.
Oh my god. Pick anything, man.
RPG,
Pop.
Ba,
Bala pop.
Kalap,
Bala pop. Oh? What the?
Tuba.
What the? Where is it? Supposed to be. Danu? Is there something wrong? Cause.
Huh? Where is it?
Oh, you have it.
Oh, it's here. This side.
I'm sorry. Go to the side now.
This side or the
I'm not gonna.
Oh, you don't know how close about it.
Which side? This side? This one? Was it there?
No. I sacrificed my own self.
But was it there? Then why were you trying to climb?
Just try to see everything. It's not there? No. Then what is this side?
Is it there?
I cannot see it. No, I don't know what side it is. You don't know.
You check these two.
Yeah.
These two
Yeah.
means it's on another map. And construction. Did you get it from construction? No.
Oh, you can pick this.
See? You didn't check this one, liar. Come on, this is the hardest. This is reloaded. Let's go. But let's see who's good.
Okay. Wait. Knife versus.
Sniper.
Let's see who will win.
Knife versus sniper.
Bad. Bro, you have to only use knife.
Okay, knife versus knife. I am mush today. You saw the trick shot I did last time, buddy? Yes, you are, man. Manchester. Oh my god, Manchester.
Buying.
Out. Oh my god.
Knife versus knife and knife versus.
I'm in my hole. Ah! Shrink. Come here, swingy boy.
Free.
What do you one shot?
No. Copy you out.
Wait.
Yeah, waiting.
Okay, done. Battle Royale. Battle. Danu, you. He's dumb. I thought we were not recording. Oh my god! Take the L.
Six.
Oh my god. Imagine if we could. Oh my god. No. Not fair.
I'm going to the park. Don't disturb me.
Then.
You can't get behind here.
Ready? Where are you actually?
Ah! My god. No! I killed myself. You didn't kill yourself.
I think I fell for stone.
Bro, you're on recordings. Bro. You can't kill me. Not anymore. You missed. Oh my god. You actually missed.
Sabase. You did everything by your fault. So fast here. Let's over there.
Get blicked.
Hola, dos meses, mi alma moon.
Oh my god.
My internet please. No, my internet is actually lagging on crazy now.
Oh my god.
Like you're going everywhere.
You can't kill me.
What the heck are you going on?
Did you fall?
Well, you died.
Oh, I'm still
I don't know.
climbing. Still climbing, man.
But I got a new weapon. Some parrot. Boy, your internet's gone. Acha, gone.
Okay, I'm gonna fall down. Yo guys,
You in 1,000 ping.
that's what's lagging.
Bully. Leave.
Hey, it made us such a nice sound.
Bye-bye.
Oh, I'm dumb. I gotta unlock it.
Who did that?
To you, someone did. I did. I'm joking.
I hate you.
Blah, blah. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. No. Guys, do not look at my keys. I am gonna cry. My keys, Shakira. My keys are rarita. It's a chupa chico, chimaco, lipo.
Mama, 2025.
Esto no it. Oh, it's not it.
I have class, bro. See, I have screen only once.
Be cut. Sun चाहिए. Mesh I like more.
Yeah, boy, you move up here, man. Now we can find.
Oh my god, I can finally get clips. Such good
Now
clips.
it's 1v1.
1v1. I'm gonna 1v1 someone else.
I don't know 1v1 you.
an arena only. Arena.
Knife versus.
No. Bro, come.
Bro, you joined someone else.
But I didn't
You joined your friend.
join me. I didn't know John. I don't have any friends.
That means you broke with friends.
I'm gonna kill you to death if you say that.
You broke with friends. Like Sinara.
I was the one who gave you Roblox. So be quiet and sit back.
No.
Poo,
I
down.
died.
That one better than you.
Emma!
Run! Run! Parina. Danu! I would have killed you to death. Hell no, I'm not taking that shit. Oh my god, I missed.
Oh, where are you going?
Where are you, man?
I'm in your checkpoint, man. Now why are you running, man? Why are you running? Are you running?
Oh my god! You definitely missed my man.
No, man. See, what would I do that, man? It'll be the crazy. Be the four.
Oh my god. Oh my god, psych. Bro!
Best is six.
Knife only. I mean sniper only.
Yeah.
Oh my god. What? Now you're cheating.
I'm showing you I don't have autism, man. Wait. Don't kill me yet. See, my autism is off. Wait.
What's it called?
Where's my... See, disable. I did that only.
Wait, my game.
I don't know how my game is lagging.
Let me get clips. But please, you should also record, man. I gave you the recording thing.
360. Aww.
Danu, record. All of the world. Oh my god. Oh shit.
I'm gonna do that. What about I done this scope headshot on you? Oh my god. This Bro, Emma, when our ammo is finished, and we use a different gun then. Bro, where are you?
Nah, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
You break your all items.
I'm good. I had to, man.
You cheater.
How did I? How did?
You have ammo, and you're
No, my ammo was gone.
Then how it is so?
Oh my god. Hey.
How am I gonna use the knife, huh?
Anyways, I'm gonna help you.
Oh, thank you.
Please slow down.
Why?
Nah, you're hacking.
How?
Let me log in. I'm not spawning it for you, by the way. Where did you... What is that gonna do, little man? Yo, that's actually not helping.
I see the YouTuber basically did the 360 no scope.
Yo, I'm bouncing around. I'm low-key bouncing or
I did the 360 body shot on you.
no way, man. Imagine if I did that.
Nothing, man.
Okay, actually stop bouncing and let's lock in. Oh my god! I had the
I
best.
did a no scope body shot on you, man.
Oh my god! I did a no scope headshot.
What? What?
I was stopped.
No scope headshot.
I was stopping, bruh.
What?
You did like that, bruh. I was stopping for you, man. Your first no scope headshot.
No, my second one.
What is that gonna do in your life, man?
Destroy you, your heart.
Oh shit! No, my heart.
Where are you going? Where are you
Actually,
going? Where?
I'm locked in. Oh my god! You actually did.
Oh, I'm winning my house.
Nah, you thought. Navi!
Hey.
Oh my god! Navi! I just get to Navi, man.
How you
I
doing?
just get so. We gotta make a song. Wait, I'm reloading. Oh my god! Nah, auto shooter. Oh, I would have got you. Danu, my ammo went. I would have got you. Oh shit! Holy! Ah! Oh my god. Knife one. Wait, don't. Come on, man. So don't 10 times.
No, you said one time.
I said don't.
3. I only need 3 for my spear only. I need only.
Hey, traffic cone, basketball, glisten. Oh my god. Oh my god. That looks fire. Dano again, come. 1v1 me. 1v1 me.
Yeah, wait.
Blah, 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 blah,
I got 2
blah, blah.
charms. Not even one skin. Wait, I'm showing you which skin I want. I want the skin.
For that skin, you need a skin case.
Oh man, socially awkward self kicking in.
Hey, let's dance.
No, I'm good.
Are come now.
Nanu, join.
Some stretches
Put
just
fun.
don't feel
But
right.
don't make it
So
loud.
why settle for that stretchy
So my people
feeling
can
after washing your face? Cleanse and hydrate with Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. Cetaphil, #1 dermatologist recommended brand in India. Skin ki suno, gentle cleansing to know.
Lower. Can you go a little far? Yeah, perfect. Nanu, come.
No, make me to leave.
Cause bro, you took so much long.
Don't act like
Now you thought. Come.
versus life.
Come. Yeah, knife.
I did
Arena. Have you chose your weapons? Okay, wait, pause. I chose Sanchel. Kill me. I chose Sanchel. Look, I chose it. What happened to you? Wait. Dano!
You never told me.
I said wait. Okay, come at me. Oh my god.
My phone.
What? Wait. Where are you? Where? Oh my god. Match point? Give me 1 point. Because you had killed me when I said wait.
Hey, where I'm coming.
Stop.
Emma, can I fight? We can fight. We can fight.
Yeah. Oh my god. Camper.
Oh, who's telling me?
You're a camper, man. Then why are you scared? Scared of the boss? Wait.
Every single.
I'm restarting it, bro.
Easy.
Oh yeah? With RPG, I might cook you.
Oh, easy.
GG's to you.
Oh, Zizi's been good game, man. You've been mean to me.
Then why were you smiling? Wait. Last chance.
Oh, come.
Yeah, wait.
It's too. Come fast. Oh, there's purple for you.
Can you say I'm doing cool?
Oldie knife. Almari cook. Then oldie knife. Make me stop. What? Wait. See, the third is an oldie knife.
Cheeto! Cheeto!
No, thank you to kill the bacon. Now we have to kill that.
Now I think
Oh, we think we are quiet. We are not that quiet, man. Okay, you want us to do Go! Go!
your teammate, man. Okay, since you wanted to use RPG and Molotov,
I'm using the sniper. I don't care.
y'all are cheating. I don't care. My game shit.
What are you doing? Want me, man? Yeah, this name is Destroy Master. That's how we feel, man.
Hey, let's dance.
No, I'm good.
Arey, come now.
Stretches just don't feel right. So why settle for that stretchy feeling after washing your face? Cleanse and hydrate with Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. Cetaphil, #1 dermatologist recommended brand in India. Skin ki suno, gentle cleansing to know.
Against the pin? Okay, we'll destroy your whole braids again now.
As a topic conditioner, I use
To anger.
repairing my hair all day long. This is it.
Noob, he's getting into my brain.
Formula that works beyond wash day and continues to repair damage. Dove Leave-In Creme Serum is infused with protein peptides. It helps strengthen hair from within. Every single day. No heaviness, no rinse. Just care that lasts with Dove. Shop now on Blinkit.
What is wrong?
Oh, even my friends like best. Oh, which part? We are using automation now. How you feel now? How you feel? Nothing now. Now we are showing you how we feel. Right? Remember now we Uttu. Oh, now we wrong. What is wrong with me now? Wow.
Oh my. Just imagine. Oh my god! I'm locked in, man. Look there in the air. You see him in the air? Cheetah will be forever. And Danu, I have one thing. You're better than me, and I almost kill all of them.
You know what I'm saying for. Now whoever is using white thing has to let's go down there.
हर कपल की एक स्टोरी होती है और हर स्टोरी को चाहिए एक ब्यूटीफुल बिगिनिंग। लेकिन जब इसी स्टोरी में इनफर्टिलिटी की प्रॉब्लम आ जाए तो जरूरत होती है एक भरोसेमंद साथी की। यही साथी है प्रोजेनेसिस फर्टिलिटी सेंटर, जहां आपको मिलते हैं एडवांस ट्रीटमेंट्स, हाई सक्सेस रेट्स, एक्सपर्ट डॉक्टर्स और इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड्स की सुविधाएं, जो आपकी पेरेंटहुड जर्नी को बनाए और भी आसान। सो नो मोर वेटिंग, बुक एन अपॉइंटमेंट टुडे एट progenesisivf.com।
Ray's new album, This Music May Contain Hope, featuring Nightingale Lane, Where Is My Husband, and more, is now available. Listen and follow on Spotify.
Comfortable sir, anything? Want to bring something? Huh? I want ice cream. Gita,
That's a skin or something. I don't know.
oh, here my what skin? But where it is? Not even there. I didn't throw.
not get him. He's actually too powerful. Why? Bye bye, Begin. You're on your own.
Yeah.
Bye bye.